yẹn ló fàjára lóyún, yes. Ó ní fọ́tò bàbá yẹn lọ́wọ́. Bá mi wá fọ́tò bàbá yẹn, yes. Okay, bàbá yẹn ló fàjára lóyún, yes. Bàbá yẹn ni, okay, all right. Jọba mi wá fọ́tò yẹn bàbá yẹn, yes. Thank you. So nígbà tá a bá lọ ṣe passport yẹn, bàbá tó tẹ̀lé lọ sí passport yẹn, bàbá yẹn ni nígbà tí ẹgbẹ́ Ajara lọ ṣe passport yẹn, ṣé ọkùnrin kan ló tẹ̀lé àbí? Okay. Ṣé bàbá yẹn ló tẹ̀lé àbí? Bàbá yẹn ló tẹ̀lé. Ṣé bàbá yẹn ló fàjára lóyún? Yes.
Can we normalize telling ourselves because kò kí n ṣe gbogbo èèyàn tó wáyé ló máa bímọ? No, wo Sherry kì í sòótọ́ fúnra wa tó. And the past generation, let me tell you something, it's possible if this lady is not pregnant, she will not see this problem. She will just be managing her body the way her body is. Ibi emotion ti wọlé ni, and she has feelings too. Feelings here yẹn kó fi máa dó oko. Any day she remembers that I am a human being, kó wá oko kó dóko dáadáa. Under any started to kem tó máa fi gbé oko gidi sára gan wọn ni mọ̀. Shame náà máa ṣe. Kó dóko straight, kó dóko gidi sára wọn. Kó gbàgbé ìtòkùn. Ṣé mo yó obìnrin tí ò tiẹ̀ ní tí look tí ò wà disabled physically tó jẹ́ wípé kò lè breed ọmọ kò lè gbọmọ wá sáyé tó dẹ̀ ti pé mo fẹ́ bímọ tó ti gbàgbé lọ́sọ̀nù. Just because our past generation wọ́n ti fi sórí wa lórí wípé tó bá wáyé bíbí náà bí ọ gbọ́dọ̀ bí ọmọ.
Ó ní ẹsẹ̀ kó tó pàdé mi. Ẹ ṣe wà ń dé ìgbà tí mo wò sí nígbà mi ìbá ẹni lọ ti jáde kí tó dé àbí.
Ìbùrọ̀ jáde lọ.
Ọ̀la ìwé àfọ̀.
Ìbùrọ̀ jáde lọ. Mo kọ́lé tó pa mí lẹ̀ ìbùrọ̀ jáde lọ.
Okay, mo ti gbọ́. Because mi fẹ́ sọ fún
What is the ex? What is the ex?
Ex náà mo tó ti fẹ́ ẹ́ tí mo
Èmi ò fẹ́ èmi ò fẹ́ yàn rí ẹni
wọ́n ní tàbí tó ṣe ń báyẹn tí mo rí.
Please.
Eléyìí tó lágbára o, ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ o. Látàrí ẹni tẹ́ ló fún Aunty Ajara lóyún. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ṣé arákùnrin tó fún Aunty Ajara lóyún yìí ṣé ò ti wọ gàù báyìí? Látàrí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wá, kí ni wọ́n ń sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tó fún Aunty Ajara lóyún? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ súnmọ́ bí. Kódà wọ́n ti ń béèrè picture ẹni tó fún Aunty Ajara lóyún báyìí. Látàrí rògbòdìyàn tó ń lọ pé inú film industry ní ti fún Aunty Ajara lóyún. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ṣùgbọ́n kí ni àwọn èèyàn ń sọ torí oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n ń sọ látàrí ikú Aunty Ajara. Ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́, ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nǹkan. Fọ́nrán yìí ẹ máa pín lógúnlógún, ẹ máa pín lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n kó go far. Tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rè tẹ́ bá ìkànnì pàdé, ẹ tẹ subscribe button yín kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè máa jàǹfààní lóòrèkóòrè tá a bá ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá sórí ìkànnì Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Ẹ má wá gbàgbé àdéhùn wa là ń múṣẹ lórí ìkànnì wa pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń lọ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé là á mọ̀ mú wá ṣe tí ìgbọ̀nyín tẹ́yìn náà tẹ́ mọ̀ fojú ara yín rí tẹ́sì mọ̀ fi etí ara yín gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ lórí ìkànnì wa. Tọ́ ẹ má wá jẹ́ ń dènà pẹ́nu, ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé fọ́nrán wọlé mẹ́sẹ̀ ṣàlàyé lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ bí fọ́nrán ṣe lọ. Fọ́nrán náà rèé, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
Òkìkí ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan ló dún Ajara lóyún. Ṣé bí olóṣì kan tí ò ní jèrè ayé ló fún Ajara lóyún? Ẹ rí condition Ajara kẹ́ tó máa bá sùn ni. Ẹ máa gbé Ajara lọ sí show. Tẹ́ bá ti rán aṣọ pa méjì fún, ó ti tán, ẹ gbowó lórí Ajara. Tẹ́ bá ti ra fóònù fún wọn. Ara àwọn rédèrèdè tí Rámọ́tà ò kì í fẹ́ gbà fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn tẹ́ máa sọ pé ó kanra nìyẹn o. Ajara tí ò wá kanra tó gbé rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín ẹ ṣí báṣabàṣa wọn padà pàdánù.
I'm not trying to correct you about this, but ṣé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ ni pé kàn try láti eradicate little people in the world or kàn stop gene wọn from like coming into the world. One. Another thing is, it's not her fault that she got pregnant again, but it's rather the hospital's fault. Tí wọ́n sọ fún ní pé oyún ẹ̀ high risk ni. She understand? Ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti sọ fún pé ní hospital pé high risk lóyún ẹ̀ o nínú kó lọ ṣe because it might be life threatening. If they tell her that, kò sẹ́ni tó ya wèrè tó máa mọ̀ pé oyún fẹ́ mú ẹ̀mí òun lọ tó dẹ̀ ṣì máa bì. Get to understand? They should have told her in the hospital. That is not her own. Kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀ yẹn. Òun náà ṣe máa.
Do you know that? Ẹ má bínú sister Chiefs. Mo fẹ́ sáré ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ pé bíbá ya we would talk together. Do you know that the fact that she had a child before and she lost that child, nobody needs to tell her anytime she gets pregnant she's already in a life-threatening situation. Do you know you don't know?
This thing happens to people that are not little people as well.
It is not about little people or not little people.
Ẹni sùúrù ẹ kì í parí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ẹ má bínú. Ṣẹ́rí ẹni tó ga tó ní normal pelvic tó wà òkè ó ń bímọ lẹ́ẹ̀mẹjọ tó ń kú tí kò dẹ̀ ní any issue. Any sùúrù, she might know and she might not know. But what
No,
I'm
you don't
saying
even
now-
understand my question, my answer. You don't even understand my point, my POV. My POV is that no, you don't. My POV is that if you know that you are disabled, and you know that when you bring in child or when you bring child, it is possible this child takes from your disability. It is very nice of you to stop that disability from on your own end. Like key disability end from your own place.
Sister Okwe, being a little person, mustn't correct me again.
She's not a little person, sister. Nobody can
Okay,
say go to wrong.
yeah.
No, she's
I
not a
don't
little
want
person.
you
She
to
has
worry
no, aside from she
Ọpẹ́ bóyá
being
more. Any
That was superstar.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ̀yin náà ẹ dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o fọ́nrán tá a mú wá sí orí ìkànnì wa yìí ẹ dá sí torí oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ló ń jáde lẹ́yìn ikú Aunty Ajara látàrí oyún tí wọ́n ní àwọn kan sọ pé oyún tí wọ́n ní ló ṣe sábàbí okùnfà ikú Aunty Ajara àwọn kan sọ pé pé tí wọ́n bá lóyún náà pé kò léwọ̀ àwọn kan sọ pé wọn ò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti lóyún kí ni èròǹgbà yín látàrí fọ́nrán tẹ̀yin náà ń gbọ́ lórí ìkànnì wa ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ èròǹgbà yín lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì wa kẹ́ ẹ mọ share rẹ̀ káwọn èèyàn náà ká tó lè rí ọgbọ́n kọ́ látàrí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Aunty Ajara só lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ bí Aunty Ajara bí wọ́n ṣe lóyún àbí kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ ìdáhùn lẹ́nu yín lábẹ́ comment section wa ẹ wo ẹ jẹ́ ká tó tẹ̀síwájú bí fọ́nrán yìí tó ṣe ń lọ lórí ìkànnì Kólé Ìjẹ̀ṣà.
mo ti gbàgbé orúkọ kìíní yẹn. This is not a little person thing.
Is she autistic?
No, oh my God, mo ti dárúkọ àwọn people yẹn lẹ́nu. Àwọn tó ní bone kìíní yìí, Deja, ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ Deja tó wà lórí TikTok now.
Egun wọn lè kán at any time.
Bone kìíní kan yìí, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God, mo bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n fi Deja kan yìí. Congenital stuff, yes, that's what I'm saying.
Ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ kíní? What if she doesn't know? She might not be that.
She knows, why would she be?
Ẹ dúró náà.
Ẹ má máa jẹ́ ká máa wá excuse her. She knows.
We can't be too sure. Ẹni sùúrù.
She knows.
Èmi ṣì feel pé.
Wọ́n sọ pé calm down.
Èmi ṣì feel pé oyún tó ní doctor ló yẹ kán ti sọ fún that this thing is life threatening. Now doctor ma sọ. I don't want to be comparing Ìlú Òyìnbó now with Nigeria. Tẹ́ bá ní oyún high risk outside anywhere, even Nigeria tó bá jẹ́ hospital tó wà òkè, they will tell you this oyún is life threatening. Ṣé bó ti ní antenatal, why didn't they tell her that?
What if they told her and she said she wants to go on with the pregnancy?
I don't know.
Have you forgotten that some people actually do that?
Yeah, get point to me.
They might do that and she will say, hey, osteogenesis.
What if she didn't know? They still need to.
It might know. The way you're assuming she doesn't know, let us assume she knows.
Okay, so don't let us deal with just your own point of view. Deal with yes. Or no. What if she doesn't know?
Yes or no? She might know. She might not know.
She might not know. So, okay, at the point of view, okay, then yẹn tún lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣíkí ó lè ní tí nǹkan tẹ́mi fi òpé ó yẹ kó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ but still okay tí doctor bá sọ fún nǹkan báyìí o má ṣe o ó wà life threatening tó dẹ̀ go right to ṣe that's a mistake but tí doctor yóò bá sọ fún or wherever tó lọ tí wọ́n bá sọ fún then that's the doctor's part. She has to get the point to me. Nigeria ni
she must know.
She might not get. I'm still using the word might. She might not know.
The fact that she already had one child before and that she lost, I feel she know. I feel
so, and I feel she might not know. Èmi náà ṣe fi pé she has to understand because tó bá mọ̀ ní èèyàn ní ìgbà tí ìjẹ́ kórìí ẹ̀bùn á mọ̀ pé òun fẹ́ ọmọ máa fẹ́ gbẹ ẹ̀mí òun àwa náà òun fẹ́ bí tó ti sọ fún pé oyún yìí tó bá bí o lè kú o ikú náà.
Ó dà pé mentality tí àwọn ìyá yìí tó máa ń fi sí orí àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wípé tíyàn tí ó bá bímọ tó bá wáyé tí ó bá bímọ ìyàn yẹn ò ṣoríire láyé mọ́.
She has a right to have a child. Nǹkan tẹ́mi kàn fi pé ẹ̀kọ́ ti educate more about this ni pé okay tó bá fẹ́ bímọ go for surrogacy go for it. She has a right to have children tó bá wùn. Because we don't want to discriminate. Saying come and stop come and shake. She has a right to have a child.
Exactly.
Only no fair be more. That's her choice. Discriminating is not good. Bro,
Sister Cheese, let me say something. Let me say this and say this clear. There is no discriminating here. Nobody is discriminating her.
No,
we put land because discrimination is a big word. I never discriminated her. Okay. In fact, I didn't talk about her only. I spoke about people that know that they can pass on gene. Let me tell you something. You are being emotional. Emotions in overriding.
It's okay to be
what
emotional.
I am saying, sorry, what I am saying is that there are some people that they already know that they can pass on this gene. Oh, it is everywhere. I will come out to that. It is not only about Auntie Ajara. Let us normalize People waking up and telling themselves that it's not only when you are disabled that you don't want to pass a gene. Some people are psychosis. They do psychosis. Land discrimination. Discrimination. I know you when psychosis don't die. Any suru, ejekin ṣàlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ mi tán ẹjọ́ má bínú ẹjọ́ tó dọ̀dọ̀ má bínú. Àwọn kan wà tó jẹ́ pé mental health disorder wọn bipolar kí ló máa tó ké schizophrenia ni wọ́n. They can pass these genes down to their children. I feel when you know you have something that can you hear, I can pass it down to my child. I mean, this is my own opinion. I feel you can just remove yourself from that situation. It is not do or die. Instead of breeding more and more and more and more of such, that is why we have so many crazy people around us. Because there are mothers that want in schizophrenia, and when you're bipolar, mental challenge, pass on someone. So you can okay, I think I have this. Let me just be happy and live my life to the fullest. They will now be passing down the gene, and the children coming already in struggles. Okay,
back to what about in discrimination. Discrimination. What I said, I mean, the reason why I said it was because it's okay. Lẹ́lẹ́bí àlàyé tẹ́ ṣe náà sí ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹni tó ya wèrè náà tó bá lóun fẹ́ bímọ kó ní right láti bí náà tó bá rí medical help dáadáa or you must sọ pé you have a right to have that help if you want
medical help fún schizophrenia wa.
Medical help I don't know about that mi lè sọ nǹkan tí mi mọ̀ but ṣé mọ̀ nǹkan tèmi wá fẹ́ sọ again ni pé example sin ṣé mọ̀ pé S àti S ti ń fẹ́ra wọn as crazy as that can be kí dẹ̀ ni wọ́n rí ṣe sí because they see medical help. Or my lord, this test don't share nínú oyún tó máa fi mọ̀ bóyá AS lọ́mọ or AA lọ́mọ tó bá ti di pé SS ló fẹ́ bí determinate till they get the AA or the AS. So ayé ìgbà kan ló máa ní AS àti AS fẹ́ra nísìnyí wọ́n fẹ́ra wọn tẹ́ bá ti lówó ẹ̀ ni. So nǹkan tí mo try láti sọ ni pé as long as some people èmi ṣe feel pé as long as she is human tó bá àwọn tó bá fẹ́ bímọ nǹkan tó ní.
Àǹtí ẹ má bínú ẹ jẹ́ sáré kọ́ mi sí nǹkan tẹ̀sán ìjọ ẹ má bínú.
Ẹ jẹ́ ṣe tán sísọ pé ti jẹ́ kí n gbàgbé àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ má jẹ́ kí n gbàgbé má bínú. What I'm trying to say is as long as ó rí medical help tó me, there's nothing wrong with Toba Bimo. If she had gone through surrogacy,
even if she had gone through surrogacy, it is still she passing down her gene. This is not the matter of it is the matter of her gene. She can still give birth to herself.
She dwarfism, yeah, the other one then, so you know.
This congenital whatever, she can still give birth. Go and look Deja on TikTok, you understand me better. I want to one more Deja at ya where no mama continue so this congenital thing that she has.
She don't correct. Is it Deja that saying?
Nigerians.
I don't know. There's no Deja.
You just Google Deja. You know them, JJ Night. You already know what I'm saying.
Okay.
Even if she does
do you know that
surrogacy, she can still pass on her gene. Gene any problem to me.
50-50. That's 50-50 because
you're not so sure. But we are just talking about it because we need to enlighten people more that when you know that your body cannot take children, please don't kill yourself because you want in the process of bringing another one into the world. Please.
One able bodied, they are okay. We think they are okay. They have only pelvic or
this is not a pelvic
conversation. Any room. I'm still more control let's see more examples.
The reason to say okay, pelvic conversation see your body small pelvic or much CS for. And I've said it, no life will give you Bibi Mola Lafia, CS Wala, Edeka Fibo, old thoughts, what else Kurope, Kiniko. No. Bibi Mola Lafia, CS, what bear Fibo is like every woman in being called to Bibi Mola Lafia, CS Wala. CS, so if you go drama and
get for the to Sonic Bay. Sherry Toba, emission Sonic Bay, Itoba Bimo. She has a right to life.
Nobody is telling her she doesn't have a right.
On court or me, they can land now.
Oh, yeah, land.
She has a right to whatever Toba Fe. Even Kenya or Maya will buy. I feel Toba Peko were capable. Toba capacity local. She still has capacity. Toba Sopo will fail you fair bimo. Mo feel we all need right medical guidance. Lorieni.
Sorry, Emma Binu. What do you call capacity? Emma
Capacity is because this is what I want. This is what I can do. And she has capacity.
Can't she decide for herself?
Why can't she? She has capacity. That's what is called capacity. Only Abraham is okay. Mo fẹ́ lọ sọ́jà. Báàgì tí mo fẹ́ lélẹ̀. Ó dẹ̀ rà. Aṣọ tí mo fẹ́. She has capacity. Oúnjẹ tí mo fẹ́ jẹ lélẹ̀. So she has a right to whatever decision tó bá fẹ́. Mi feel pé ó yẹ kí wọ́n ti bá wò medically. And then I don't think she's that educated. Láti mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́yìn mọ̀ yìí. Or maybe let's say enlightened. She might not know these things. So don't buy medical help that Danny. That's not capacity. Come and tell her what capacity is. Or everybody might check dictionary, you know. At times, got me confused and stuff. If she had gone through surrogacy, your mom would be at all. It might not be a choice. But we don't know. But OTB no. I mean, OTB she will face the consequence now. It make her feel she should have sought she should have seek enough medical advice. Got me confused lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ni.
Wọ́n gbọ́ rèé o, àwọn àṣírí gbàǹkàngbàǹkàn tá a tún gbọ́ tó yà wá lẹ́nu. La ní ká tún mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ gbọ́ níta tún ní ká mú wá nìyẹn. Ntẹ́yìn náà bá wá ní léròǹgbà tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ sọ sí gbogbo tẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ yìí lórí ìkànnì wa. Ẹ̀yin náà sọ sí abẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì wa. Ẹ like ẹ share rẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kó go far. Ẹ wo ibi tá a fi àdàgbà ètò ìsọlẹ̀ sí rè. Bó bá tún wá ṣe ń lọ, a tún máa mú wá fún yín lórí ìkànnì Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Àdúrà wa sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni pé orí wa ò ní gbàbọ̀dé o. Ire báyìí lójú owó rí, ire lójú ọlá rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ò mọ̀ rí o. Ìpàdé wa bí oyin. Ó dàbọ̀.